Modakniv Garberg Black Sea is a powerful full-tang knife designed to withstand the toughest challenges imaginable. Both the spine and rear end are ground to a 90-degree sharp angle, making it compatible with the Firestarter. The 3.2mm thick blade is made of high-quality carbon steel and has a DLC coating that to some extent protects against rust. Keep in mind though that carbon steel needs to be maintained, so make it a habit to wipe your knife and oil the blade after using it. Modakniv Garberg Black Sea is the ultimate tool for your adventure.
My name is Vance Culver. I'm a product line manager here at Benchmade Knife Company. Today we're going to be talking about the 537 bailout. The strength to weight ratio is a huge consideration for us in this knife. It features Grivery, which is a glass-filled nylon material with a high percentage of glass that gives it a strong structure. The CPM 3V blade allows us to go very thin with the blade without compromising the edge. The mini deep carry clip allows us to reduce the amount of material that we're using. The striking pommel on the 537 is 6061 T6 aluminum. The shape is a tonneau. It allows it to be a very high grind geometry. We've selected every material to maximize strength to weight ratio.